Anderson Hotel's running check-in this morning. Yes, indeed. Ed TRAFECANTY in the front, Andrew Anderson in the back. It's not even 1 and 2, it's just front and behind. This could affect the arrow handling on these factory stocks. This is the biggest division we run here at Havasu 95 Speedway that spends time in the wind tunnel during the off-season. Little bit of a push on the 9 of Anderson. White flag comes out. Rolling out of 4. Be the first winner of the day, Mr. Ed TRAFECANTY, and Andrew Anderson going to come in second.